It is a brand new day. You know, I'm doing this video and showing how happy I am with the slow motion effects of this Lumix GH5. You know, this camera has been my pretty much go-to camera for getting slow motion footage, and today I'm planning on meeting up with one of my friends and getting some slow motion footage of his truck. You know, the good thing about this GH5 I like is that you can set it to 60 frames per second and then get high definition footage. And when you slow it down in processing and edit, you can get a nice cinemegraphic shot by just dialing it down to about 50% slow motion. I'll show you some of the film and footage that I'll be capturing from his truck today for his social media.
Pay me in full or don't pay me at all.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
That's gonna do it for today's thoughts on my GH5, this Panasonic GH5. It's kick-ass with slow motion settings. Just remember, when you're doing a 60 frames per second, it's gonna take up some more memory on your memory card, but it's okay. You can post-edit it, you could save it onto an external hard drive like I do, and then once the production's out, it's up, it's live, it's on YouTube, or you could send it out to your client and make things happen, make money off of these kinds of clips. All right, thanks for tuning in. Until the next time, I'll see you later. Peace.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.